Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an extreme skin whitening facial mist. Now this is a very simple recipe, very easy to make, but it is super effective, and this product can give you up to 4 shades lighter, and it can also reduce your acne on your skin and also improve the look of wrinkles and basically give you a very smooth skin. It's formulated to be gentle on your skin, yet still powerful enough to deliver maximum whitening result. Now, whether you're looking for, you're looking to reverse the effect of sun damage, or just you just want to get a brighter complexion, this facial mist will help you achieve the results that you desire. Plus, it's easy to use and can be applied directly to the face for a quick and easy application. Now, if you're ready to see how I made this product, you definitely want to keep on watching. Hi Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kaliu and I am a Nigerian based skincare formulator, beauty influencer. I create weekly videos on skincare products, DIY skincare products. I teach you how you can make your own skincare products at home. So if this is something that you are interested in, I would love to have you on this side. Please take this time to click the red button down below to join the family, and you can also turn on your notification so whenever we post a new video, you are one of the first persons to see this video. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple recipe, yet very effective. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first item you need is a beaker or some container that is sterilized and very clean to put your product in. I like to use beakers because they are more effective and more professional looking on the camera, and they are just basically safe. So the next thing you need is a measuring um, scale. This will help you get appropriate measurements for your ingredients. And the next thing you need is some sort of stirring rod or any spatula or spoon that you can use to mix your product in. As you can see, my spatula or my stirring rod is broken, but I'm using it like that. So this is a very simple recipe, so we're just going to get right into it. The first ingredient is our porcelain water. Now, if you have been following me for a while, you will know about our famous porcelain water, and that is going to be one of our first actives for this product. This product is a whitening concentrate or whitening active. Now, this highly concentrated blend of whitening active ingredients is specially formulated to help you achieve a brighter and smoother looking skin. It is an advanced formula, and this will help to reduce the appearance of dark spots, discoloration, and also even out your skin tone. Now, if you add this into your creams, your serums, your lotions, your soaps, and you use those products regularly, you will begin to see a brighter and healthier looking radiant skin in no time. Now I'm going to add that into our beaker, and then I will measure out my next ingredient. Don't worry, I will put all the measurements on the screen for you guys to see. Now we also have our aloe vera juice. I'm using aloe vera here as a skin protectant, as a moisturizing agent, and basically, to give a nice velvety feel to this product. Now you can see that mine is already finished. That's to tell you that I use it a lot. And I'm going to add that into the beaker. I'm also going to leave the measurements on the screen. Just keep watching the screen because a lot of you will still come and say, I did not put measurements. Please check and watch the screen properly. You will see all the measurements that you need. Now, the next ingredient I'm going to use is a humectant. Now, I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of humectants that you can choose from depending on your preference and the result that you want. Now, we have propanediol and we also have propylene glycol, and these 2 ingredients are good humectants, and we also have glycerin, which is also a humectant. But the problem with glycerin is if you're not careful with the amount that you use, it has a tacky after feel. It has a tacky residue. So when you use it on your skin, you see that your skin feels really sticky. So I like to use either propanediol or propylene glycol. For this video, I'm going to use propylene glycol because it is easier and it doesn't leave the sticky after residue, and it absorbs into the skin very, very easy. So you can choose from any of them, whichever one works for you, it's fine. Now, the next ingredient we're going to be using is our second active, and this is retinol liposome. This is an encapsulated form of retinol, and retinol helps to protect the skin from environmental damage while also promoting collagen production and restoring the skin's natural moisture balance. Now, retinol is also a very powerful, antioxidant that works to deeply nourish and hydrate the skin, and definitely will leave your skin looking brighter and more radiant. And it is perfect for all skin types and age. It is gentle, it is non-irritating, and it is free of any sulfates and synthetic fragrance and all of that. It's basically an encapsulated form of um, retinol, and the best part of it is that this is water soluble, so it is encapsulated in a way that you are able to use it in a water based ingredient. So if you're looking for a powerful anti-aging ingredient, this is one of it. It's easier to use as well. So I'm going to add that in and then stir it a bit. As you can see, the product is cloudy, but as it clears or as it settles in, and you continue to stir, it will clear out and become this very gold, beautiful looking gold liquid. And of course, you're going to add your preservative. It is very, very important to use preservatives for products that are water based or products that will come in contact with water. So I'm using Jamal Plus for this recipe because, as I always say, Jamal Plus is a broad spectrum preservative, and it is very, very accessible and available and also affordable for a beginner to use. Okay, so go ahead and mix everything thoroughly. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Then you keep it for a while to settle in and clear out. Now, while you are watching this, if you're a beginner and you would like to begin formulating your own skincare products at home, but you don't have the background knowledge or understanding of what skincare formulation is, I would recommend our ebook to you. Our ebook is a beginner's guide, and it will help you understand the basics of skincare formulation. It will help you learn how to write out a proper formula. It will help you learn how to convert your formula to recipes, and basically give you a very good boost into the skincare world. So if you're interested and you would like to begin making your own skincare products at home, definitely get our ebook. It is just 10,000 naira only. Nothing more, nothing less. It is 10,000 naira. And if you want the ebook, please use the link in the description bar to send us a WhatsApp message. Now, as you can see, the product has cleared out. It is looking beautiful. I like to call this my liquid gold because this product, like once you use this product once, you will see a significant result or a significant change in your skin the next day. It is that powerful. Very simple recipe, but very powerful result. So go ahead and package your product in your preferred container. I like to put it in a spritz container, something that I can just spray on my face, and it is easy to use. It keeps the product safe. Now, how do you use this product? After cleansing your skin, you want to use this product as some sort of a toner. After spritzing on your face, make sure you spritz enough, be generous with it. After spritzing on your face, you allow it to dry for at least 3 to 5 minutes before you add on your moisturizer and then you add on your oil serum. That's how I use it. I cleanse, and then I spritz, and then I moisturize, and then I use the oil. I know a lot of you have been asking me to do my skincare routine. I will try to put that together and show you guys. So this is the product on the right that we just made, and this is the one that I showed you in the beginning. You can see how beautiful they are. I like to call this my liquid gold because of the color and how beautiful it looks. Make sure you go ahead to check the pH of your product. Make sure the pH is within 6.5, 6 to 6 or 6.5. That way your product stays stable and effective and it doesn't oxidize. So yeah, this is the end of this product. If you would like to get any of our trainings, our link is in the description bar. Just go ahead and click the link there to our WhatsApp. It takes you directly to our WhatsApp, and you can go ahead and ask your questions, make your inquiries, or purchase any of our products if you want. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. And please don't forget that you can support this channel by clicking on the super chat or super thanks down below to support this channel so we can continue to bring you nice and very effective recipes for free. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I really, really do appreciate every one of you for staying tuned to this point. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you tell your friends about us, and we will definitely see you in our next video. Bye.